Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we will be continuing our discussion with respect to the questions we see in the test of mathematics, and what we'll be doing is basically we'll try to understand the questions that are being asked in this kind of examination and also get a general idea on how to go about solving this question. So having said that, let's take a look at the question at hand. A square whose side is 2 meter has its corner cut away so as to form a regular octagon. Okay, then the area of the octagon in square meters is equal to, so let's do one thing. Let the length of the sides which is cut is equal to x. So therefore the length of the side of octagon will be, since there each of the sides of the square was 2, then 2 times the length will be cut, so 2 minus 2x. Okay, now if we consider the length cut of the octagon as the hypotenuse of the triangle, so therefore the hypotenuse of the cut triangle will simply be equal to x by root 2. Okay, now 2 minus twice x equal to x root 2. Therefore x can be given as 2 by plus root 2. Therefore x root 2 can be given by 2 by root 2 plus 1. Okay. Now if we talk about the area of the octagon, then will be simply given by 2 into root 2 plus 1 into 2 by 2 plus root 2 plus 2 into 2 by root 2 plus 1 . Okay, if you further solve the same, you can cancel out this 4 root 2, 4 2 root 2 plus 1, 4 root 2 2, so it comes out to be 5 root 2, so 4 root 2, so it basically is 8 to root 2 plus 1. So if you take a look at the options here, option B is the correct answer. So simply form, like if I am to explain this in the simple term, what we actually did over here is nothing but, suppose we have a square here, say its side is of 2, so we fold it from here, so x, okay, and we basically what we did was, okay, so this is x, this is x, this is x, this is x, 2 minus twice x, 2 minus twice x, twice x, and 2 minus twice x. Okay, so this is what we actually did. Simply we split everything in two parts of x, side x, and then subsequently we simply found out the area as well. So this was all about the processes involved. So in case you have any kind of difficulty, make sure you go through the video as many times as possible so as to get a clear understanding on the approaches involved. And once you're comfortable enough, I suggest you try and solve this question on your own so as to get a better idea on how to go about solving this kind of questions. So having said all of that, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel so we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. And with all that said, I think I'd wind up. We'll continue our discussion on this topics in subsequent videos. So with this I'll wind up the video and I'm signing off. Thank you so much.